Okay, we're on step 3, and I'm working with the C and D units. And what I've done first is stitch this line through the interfacing and lining, and this line. Both lines are marked ID window. That's just so I can see it on this side. I've highlighted them with chalk. Now I'm going to take and align my clear vinyl window with the bottom of the pocket and between these two lines. So I'm going to get that lined up and I'm going to tape it down. Then what I'm going to do is line my two rectangles that I cut before with the two lines. I want them facing in, and I'm going to go stitch those lines down 1/4 inch. Okay, now I'm back. I've stitched the sides of the two rectangle strips. I'm going to open this up, and what I'll do is just finger press these rectangles open, remove the tape, obviously, and I'll top stitch down both sides. Be right back. Okay, so we finished stitching along the sides of our ID card window, and we are ready for the next step. What we're going to do is put it right sides together, this whole CD section, with our remaining lining. So there's our remaining lining. We'll take and put this piece right sides together, and we're going to stitch all of these stitching lines. All the horizontal ones, here, 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 here. And we will be right back. Okay, so now we've just stitched across all of these lines, and we'll cut them apart on the solid lines. So we stitch the dashed lines, and we're going to cut apart on the solid. And you'll see a little pair of scissors on the solid lines. Be right back. And we're doing the same thing with the gussets. We have it backed up to an extra piece of lining fabric, and we're going to stitch on the stitching lines, the dashed lines, and we'll cut it apart on the solid lines. Let's do that. Okay, so now we're at figure 10 in the pattern. We've stitched along the stitching line, we've cut along the solid lines to get all of our pieces. C's, D's, and E's. So now we'll turn them out to the right sides, press them. We will top stitch all the credit card strips. We'll be right back with that. Okay, we've sewed across the zipper. You see the full zipper on the back. And we just placed it on top and stitched on either side. I'm going to open the tab to the middle and stitch across here at 1/4 inch from the edge and here at 1/4 inch from the edge. So here's the finished zipper pocket, and it's been stitched here and here so it stays together, and you zip it for now.